Okay, so history and how do the Selenium tools grow, and second, what is the WebDriver and advantage of Selenium WebDriver, how many languages support the Selenium WebDriver, and what is the feature, component, and one simple demo, or how to install the Selenium WebDriver in our system. So let's start. History. Selenium is basically developed by the Jason Huggins in 2004 as an internal tool and ThoughtWorks. After some time, Jason Huggins joined by other programmer and tester at ThoughtWorks. He made theirs in Paul Heyman, and both are joined work the second mode of operation of the Selenium that would later become a Selenium remote control, Selenium RC. So this is the first version of the Selenium tools, and it's mean basically in 2000. Selenium core is developed by Jason Huggins and Selenium RC is developed by the Jason Huggins and Paul Heyman together. And same year, means 2004, Selenium tool was open source. And in 2005, Dan Fablich and Nelson Stroud developed the Selenium RC. It means they give the idea how to the Selenium RC work. And in 2008, Simon Stewart developed the Selenium WebDriver. Its response is succeed compared to the Selenium RC. And also in the 2008, Philip Hagro developed the Selenium Grid. So this is the full journey of how to the Selenium WebDriver developed. And next is the Selenium WebDriver. So Selenium WebDriver is open source tool which is used for automating testing carried out on web browser. It can be different browsers like Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Safari, and also in many operating systems, Windows, Mac, Linux, and so on. So this is the Selenium WebDriver and advantage. Selenium WebDriver easy to automate testing across web application. It supports the many languages and easy to implement the test cases, support the various operating systems and browser. And here language. Selenium WebDriver supports the 12 languages: Java, C#, Python, Ruby, Perl, PHP, Haskell, TCL, JavaScript, Objective-C, RN, Dart. And feature. This is the notable feature of the Selenium WebDriver and cloud-based testing platform. So Selenium lead as a cloud-based testing platform which help testers record their action and reuse the script to the another task. And test script, we saw earlier, Selenium support the many languages. So we can write the script, the famous language Java, Python, and C#, Perl, and support the parallel execution. Selenium reduce the time and increase the efficiency of the testing. And fourth one is require fewer resources. Compared to other automation testing tools, Selenium requires less resources. And fifth one is the no server installation. In the Selenium WebDriver case, no need of the external server. In here, the test script direct interact with the test browser. This is the feature of the Selenium WebDriver. And components. In here, Selenium component is divided into the 4 parts: Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. So Selenium IDE is created by the Saina Kanstani and denoted to the Selenium project in 2006. So Selenium IDE is a complete integrated development environment provided to the Selenium test. Earlier Selenium ID name is the Selenium Recorder because he's allowed because ID is allowed to recording, editing, and debugging of the functional testing. So next is Selenium RC. Selenium remote control is a server written in Java. that accept command from the browser via HTTP. RC make it possible to write automated tests for web application in any programming language, which allow for better integration of Selenium in existing unit framework. So next is Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is superior to the Selenium RC. Selenium WebDriver accepts command and send to the browser. In Selenium version 1 means RC is the Selenium version 1 and Selenium WebDriver is the Selenium version 2. So in Selenium version 1, server was necessary, but in Selenium version 2 means WebDriver, no need of the any external server for execute the test. And fourth one is the Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid is server which allows running tests in parallel in multiple machines and manage different browser version and browser configuration centrally. So here Selenium Grid is work like a central server. And this is the demo. So after some time I saw demo. Here I write the script, open the browser, print the title and current URL and close the browser. This is the script I show you on this. And next topic is how to install the Selenium. Selenium WebDriver installation in our system, two things is required: Java installation and Eclipse. I think many people know how to install Java and Eclipse, but I also explain in next when I explain in the Java language. So here I explain only the Selenium WebDriver. So Selenium installation process, go to any browser and type Selenium org, and then download the language, which language you want to do the testing. I know only one language, Java, so I download the Selenium Java support language, and next download the browser. So I use the Chrome browser, so I download the latest version of the Chrome browser. It provides the path for the execute test cases. So this is the installation, and I show you demo. This is the demo. In here, I in next when I come on the how to Selenium WebDriver works and how to the test cases in different things I explain next tag talk project tag talk presentation. In here I explain maybe here I create the package. When I downloaded the Selenium WebDriver, we created the here package project. So here I create the project in Amazon, so Java project, and give the any name. And after that, when you create the project, then you create the package. Inside the package, create the class. So here I say the package name is Selenium and class name is Selenium. So our script is enter the URL and open the app and close the app, and also the print the title and current URL. So here I use the Jetstar URL. This is the Jetstar URL, and maximize the app and title. What is the which page open? What is the exact title? This is the print, and third one is the what is the current URL I use. The things run when I run the program. This is the store. And third one is the close the browser. This is the method I use. So here when I run my program, so you open the JEXA website and current heading is this one. Close the browser and title print here. Website development company USA IT solution and URL current URL is JEXA.com. That's all. Thank you. Hello.
Anybody have any question?
Hello.
Yes, Indra.
Yeah, Shivani, can you give any example or testing site?
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Can you give any examples or any site you tested before?
Ma'am, I learned this tools in earlier, so I test only the Amazon and Flipkart and Facebook. I did not test in the any latest website.
Okay. Just you got only theory part, right?
No, not theory part. Next schedule, I explain how to test the different websites. But these all website already tested, like the Amazon, Flipkart. These all things already tested. But I also apply in the JEXA website some different tools, means checkbox button. These all things I apply here, but frequently I did not apply any latest app, the related work app. I apply only which one is already tested. Because I learned this tools before 1 month ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then I think we are done, right? So let's meet again like next Thursday for another Tech Talk series. We have a sheet available. I mean, please fill up that sheet, fill up your name if you want to give the presentation in next series. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.